Hello YouTube. I'm doing a video today. I have a turn signal that's not working. This turn signal switch, the left side works, but the right turn signal doesn't work. And I didn't find any videos how to replace it, so I'm gonna make one. Basically, to get this horn pad cover off, there's a slot here. And I already got this all loose already. But there's a slot here where you could slide like a pick in here. And the idea is to move this lever right here. And this spring sits in that hole right there. And so when you move the lever, it's gonna release that spring on the horn pad, and you want to do it for all three corners. There's one over here, there's one over the right, and you just slide these springs back, the horn pad cover will slide off. For your steering wheel, there's a nut that sits, and I already got the steering wheel off, but there's a nut that's going to be securing your steering wheel. It's a 19 millimeter. Remove that and your steering wheel comes off. This clock spring, I already got it loose. Actually came out a little bit, but I just snapped it back in place. And it's going to be secured by this little clip here. Let's see if I can get back closer. All right, there's a little clip. It's going to click into here. You just want to pry them back. There's one here. There's one right here. And there's one over here. And they're just clipping in place. And you can remove your clock spring. So, as I said before, the right turn signal light was not working. And I got the new part here. Before I go and replace it, what I'm gonna do is plug in my new switch. All right, new switch. Plug this thing in. All right, sorry about that, but I got the new switch plugged in, and I'm gonna check the right turn signal. Yep, right turn signal works. Left turn signal, yep. So I know like the switch is bad, but I was right about that. I'll go ahead and replace this and make a video on what I find and taking it off. Okay, I'm back. So to get the turn signal switch off, there's a clamp here that you're gonna have to just compress. I have a spring compression tool I used just to lock it in place and loosen it up. And I tried just to pry up on this, but it doesn't really release. What you have to do is release, let's see. What you have to do is release, there's a tab. And this tab here, you need to release that tab and pry up on it at the same time. So you're gonna release the tab with maybe like a pick or something, and then you're just gonna pry up on it. And it comes off. Not too hard. One last thing. The washer reservoir. All it is just this tab right here. Press it down, it locks it into place and into the switch itself. So, not too hard. All right, see y'all on the next video.